MP for St Andrew East Central and former leader of the People's National Party, Dr. Peter Phillips, shared the lessons he has learned on the processes of governance during the course of his political career.
The overarching lesson of our years as an independent nation lies in the fact that all our great accomplishments as a nation have been the result of our collective endeavors. Nothing highlights this more, to my mind, than our efforts to reduce public debt and achieve sustained economic growth. The latter part of that mission has not yet been achieved. We have not secured high levels of economic growth necessary to deliver on the aspirations of the Jamaican people.
Having served as Minister of Finance and Planning from 2012 to 2016 and as Minister of National Security between 2002 and 2007, Dr. Phillips also spoke to the importance of integrity and trust.
The integrity of the political leadership of the country must not be in doubt. It is vital if we are to build trust. That is why, Mr. Speaker, I am not proclaiming that the Integrity Commission is right in all they do or supporting this or that, but I am saying that if we are to mobilize people to achieve great things, they must believe that us collectively are people of honor, goodwill, and trustworthy. We, as much as anybody else, need an integrity commission that works, because it is that which will assure the country that we inside here are people who can be trusted by and large, and we need that.